How to get instant traffic with targeted Facebook ads. If you're hoping to get more visitors to your website, then there are plenty of different strategies you can use. From SEO to content marketing to social media marketing, you certainly aren't short of options. The only problem is that these strategies all take time. Meanwhile, Facebook ads provide a way you can start to get targeted traffic instantly, as long as you know what you're doing. In this post, we'll unravel how it all works. Facebook ads, the basics. The first thing to understand about Facebook ads is that this is a PPC platform. That stands for pay per click, meaning, in other words, that as an advertiser, you will only be paying each time someone actually clicks on one of your ads. Often, this will cost anywhere from a few cents to a couple of dollars. As the advertiser, you can choose what you want your maximum bid or your maximum pay per click to be. This gives you the control to decide how much you want to pay for each visitor to your website. And what gives you even more control is the targeted nature of these ads. You can use the information provided to Facebook, age, sex, location, interests, job description, marital status, and use that in order to choose who you want your ads to show to, putting it all together. So using all this information, you can then create an advertising campaign that will be almost guaranteed to be profitable. If no one clicks on your ads, you don't pay anything. And if your ads have been perfectly targeted, then only people with a potential interest to buy will click on them. So let's say you have an ad banner showing on a random website. That might get 100 clicks, and 70 of those might be completely random and disinterested in your niche and your product. With the best attempt in the world, you can expect to persuade just a small percentage of them to buy from you. That means lots of wasted cash. But on Facebook, because you're only showing your product to the precise right demographic, your buyer persona, that means 100% of your viewers will already be likely to buy from you. And that means the same percentage of conversions translates to many more sales and much more money. So because you choose the maximum cost per click, you have the power to ensure that this equals solid profit.